Why do we sneeze and what happens during it? Sneezing is a protective reflex of our body. It all starts when something irritates our nose, dust, a virus, or an allergen. The brain signals the body to expel these particles. Then it gives the command, sneeze. At that moment, over 100,000 germs fly out at a speed of more than 160 kilometers per hour. But do you know what's interesting? You can't keep your eyes open while sneezing, so always cover your mouth to avoid spreading germs.